Hi, all my maths warrior. Welcome to Mindful Learning. I am Geeta Dua, and today I am again back with 3D questions. I will be taking up 3D 2 marker question today. So before I take up that question, we will have a quick revision of two concepts. Let us see what are those. So before we start with our question, let us discuss few basic things and let me see whether you know it or not. R is equal to A plus lambda B. Lambda is scalar. So what does this equation represent? It is a vector equation. Now what does it represent? You can write your answer in the comment box. This reminds you of the vector equation of straight line in space. Let us have a look with the help of this figure. See, if we have this line in a space and it has one passing point A and R is arbitrary point on it, and B vector represents the direction of the given line. Now the vector equation of line becomes R is equal to A plus lambda B vector, where lambda is a scalar. So this is called vector equation. Now we have another concept related to it. Another question to you is, let me move down. Vector equation of straight line passing through point A and parallel to vector B is R equal to A plus lambda B. A आपका passing point का position vector है और B vector represents the direction vector. So the equation of line becomes R is equal to A plus lambda B. Now let us quickly revise one more thing. What does this equation remind you? R minus A dot n vector equal to 0. In your 3D you have studied this equation. What does it remind you? Just give it a thought. It is R minus A vector dot n vector equal to 0. N vector is normal vector. A vector is the passing point. R vector represents position of arbitrary point. So R minus A dot n vector. Yes, this is equation of the, you can write in the comment box, it is equation of the plane, where A is the point which lies on the plane, A is the position vector of the point which lies on the plane, and n is the normal vector. Let us have a look and at the figure so that it's clear to you. We can even write it as R dot n dot is equal to A dot n dot vector. A dot n dot vector एक number आएगा. Dot product of two vectors is a scalar. So this is going to be some number which at times is represented by D. Now see, if this is my plane, ये मेरा plane है और A एक point है plane के ऊपर और P कोई arbitrary point है. By convention हम A को passing point रखते हैं, be it straight line, be it plane, और P represents arbitrary point. Now O is the origin vector. अब ये OA आपका vector A हो गया, and OP position vector of P is R, and this N is the perpendicular vector. Note that it's not a unit vector, it is a normal vector जो perpendicular है A to. So vector equation of plane passing through point A, and the plane is normal to vector n, right? So the equation is R minus A dot n cap equal to 0. So now let us discuss 1-2 marker question based on it. So now let us discuss a 2 marker question. Find the vector equation of the plane that passes through the point 1, 0, 0 and contains the line R equal to lambda j cap. Now as we have already discussed before the start of the video about vector equation of the line and vector equation of the plane passing through a point. So let us start our question with that, because we need to have the equation of the plane passing through a point first of all. So let n be the normal vector to the plane. Vector equation of the plane passing through the given point with position vector a and normal vector n is r minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. Now we have passing point, so we can write vector a as 1 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap, which is same as I cap. Now my vector equation becomes of the plane becomes r minus I cap dot n vector equal to 0. So now the given line which is given to us in the question is r vector is equal to 0 vector plus lambda j cap. This lies on the plane. Now for this line to lie on plane, it should satisfy the equation 2. We will put our value of a. A is the passing point. Since 0 vector is the passing point of this particular line, so 0 vector will satisfy this equation number 2. So it becomes minus I cap dot n vector equal to 0. So we get this equation. Also vector j, unit vector j is perpendicular to n vector because the line lies on the plane. So normal vector to the plane is going to be perpendicular to the direction vector of the line. So j cap dot n vector is equal to 0. So let me explain this thing once again. A plane is given to us. One passing point of the plane is given to us. हमने वेक्टर इक्वेशन में पोजीशन वेक्टर प्लेस किया है पासिंग पॉइंट का, तो हमारी इक्वेशन बन गई r वेक्टर माइनस आई कैप डॉट n वेक्टर इक्वल टू 0. Now it is given to us that the line lies on the plane. Now when line lies on the plane, that means if this is my plane and this is the normal vector n, now in case my line is here, so this n vector will be parallel to the direction of the line. Now here direction of the line is lambda j. Now this represents j cap represents the direction. So n and j are going to be perpendicular and their dot product will be 0. Also this passing point 0, this lies somewhere here. So it is on the plane. 0 vectors lies on the plane. So I will put this 0 value in place of r. So I will get now two equations. अब मुझे दो इक्वेशन मिल गई, एक 0 वेक्टर पुट करने पर और एक j dot n cap n vector का dot product 0. So I get two things. By these two things, what do I get? Since from 3 and 4, you will get that n vector is equal to k cap. Why so? Because we know dot product of I with k and j with k is 0. देखो I वेक्टर का यूनिट वेक्टर I का प्रोडक्ट k के साथ 0 होता है, यूनिट वेक्टर j का डॉट प्रोडक्ट k वेक्टर के साथ 0 होता है. So as by that result I get here my n vector should be k cap. So now I put my value of 5 in the equation of the plane instead of n vector. Now I can write k cap. I take dot product here it becomes r vector dot k cap minus I dot k cap equal to 0. Now dot product of I with k is 0. So my equation reduces to r vector dot k vector equal to 0, which is a required equation of the plane. Also the point you need to remember is a plus lambda b, जो मैंने आपको वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में भी बताया है, that r equal to a plus lambda b is the equation of the line where position vector is a and b is parallel vector or in other words, it represents the direction of the given line. So children, today we have discussed vector equation of the plane with one passing point and when a normal vector is given to plane. ये वाली इक्वेशन की है हमने. And second thing, we have also discussed vector equation of line in the space. So do remember these concepts. I will be taking up more concepts and more problems in the coming video. And in subsequent videos, I will even take up how to relate vector form with the Cartesian form and how you can feel at ease with few topics which create confusion. So for that, stay tuned. Do like, subscribe and share my videos by hitting the bell icon below. So see you in the next video with more problems on 3D. Till then, keep practicing. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.